Welcome to the LeoAFO tutorial video. This tutorial will walk through the entire workflow from importing a scan to exporting a final, ready-to-manufacture file. LeoAFO software is set up as a guided workflow, and the user will be able to easily go through the different steps, starting with scan import and scan cleaning, moving on to landmark placement, and then to the mesh editing and rectification section. Finally, the user will be able to select and apply a design and edit the design, and then export that design for production. LeoAFO allows for the creation of custom AFOs efficiently, leveraging both CNC and 3D printing capabilities, saving time with multiple semi-automated features. This tutorial video will be split into multiple chapters, so feel free to go straight to the portion of the tutorial that is most relevant to your needs. To start, we'll get a basic understanding of how the software is controlled and the various toolbars that are available. After importing a scan, you are able to rotate and view the scan using different buttons on your mouse to control the camera view. The scroll wheel is used to zoom in and out, and clicking and holding the scroll wheel will allow you to pan the camera view. A right-click and hold will allow you to rotate the camera view. There's a few other camera view controls that are down in the lower right-hand toolbar. The orthographic toggle switch will force the camera view into an orthographic view instead of a perspective view. This is sometimes helpful when you're trying to be super precise with trim line placement or prefer viewing from a straight or orthographic perspective. The default perspective will be with the orthographic view turned off. The multi-view camera can also be toggled on with the toggle switch in the right-hand corner, and the multi-view camera window can be scaled by clicking and dragging the bar on the left-hand side of the window. Each multi-view camera window can be controlled independently using the previously mentioned controls for zooming, panning, and rotating. It is recommended to set one camera view to either an anterior or a posterior view, and the other camera can be set to either a lateral or a medial view. These can be used or turned off and turned back on throughout the design process.